The next problem statement is to count number of characters, words and lines in a given text file. So here I am using header file #include stdio.h and #include standard library.h. So these are the two header files which I require as part of this particular program. Int main, and here file pointer. We know how to create a file pointer. File followed by *ptr is a file pointer. Char name. So here I am going to store the name of the file at runtime. And ch is an identifier which is used for count the number of characters. Like for example, in a given file I want to extract each and every individual character. I am taking one identifier to store the characters. Next. So initially I am initializing the character value to 0, words to 0, lines to 0. Here I am reading the file from the user at runtime. Once we read the file, if the file is been allocated to this PTR, then we are going to see if the file is successfully opened or not with this particular condition. If the file is not been allocated, then here we are going to give the exit message, that is a failure message stating that file does not exist. Now here logic to count the characters, words and lines. So first we are going to take an individual character, an individual identifier name called ch equal to fgetC of ptr. So for ptr we have allocated a file which is at runtime, and if that file is exists, now we are going to read the individual character from that particular file using fgetC, and we are checking if it is not equal to EOF. So EOF is nothing but end of the file. If it is not equal to EOF, then we are going to enter into this while loop, and we are executing all the instructions what are there as part of this while loop. Now as soon as the condition is failed, the condition is, whenever the condition here, the given condition is true, then it is going to stop. If it is the condition like the given character is, let's say here in the given 1.txt there is a character called v. Now here v is not equal to EOF, the condition is true, then it comes inside. If we say EOF is not equal to EOF, the condition is false, then it will stop. Now here we will increment the characters and check for the new line by /n or /0 to count the number of lines, and to check the words we need to check this with the space or /t or new line or /0, which is nothing but null, the last characters. Next we are incrementing words ++ if this condition is true. So this is how we are incrementing character, lines and words. So for the last word and last line we are going to use this condition. If characters is greater than 0, then we are incrementing words and lines ++. Then we are going to print the total number of characters and the total number of words and lines which are there as part of the file. Now let me show you this particular file, 1.txt file. So here I have written Virtulearn, which is of 10 characters length. So it is having one word, 10 characters and one line. So according to our expectation, we are going to get the result or not. Let us check. So in 1.txt file, so the file name is 1.txt. Enter the file name. Here we are going to enter the file name as 1.txt. Total characters are 10, total words are 1, total lines are 1. So just you can cross check here. So Virtulearn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So totally 10 characters and number of words are 1, total number of lines are 1. So here let me just include some text. Learn coding from Virtulearn. Next line I am writing happy coding, happy learning. So here you can see there are 3 lines and followed by how many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total words are 10 and total number of lines are 3. So let us check with the output for the next test case. So let me give the file name as 1.txt. Now the total number of words are 10 and total number of lines are 3. Definitely this the total number of characters 69 will also be there within this given file. So this is how we can count the number of lines, words and characters in any given file using this particular logic and code.